Yo, no just pause the gun song for a second. Pause all of them song there, just for a second. I'm gonna bring out the bullshit where them pussy are they pan, but them not really want me to say. Alright. Me did I leave the game but dancehall would have dead without me. Half of them artists you can't even hold no meds without me. If me no sing about something, well them no sing about it. But me I go talk the truth, me no care how them want feel about it. Like real thing dog, them artists you not hold no meds. Them no want for rich again, most of them just want for dead. Want to make it in and they get to then go corporate. Want to BET and the red carpet. Wait, when I start fret, dog me never start yet. Keep all on the mouth yet, them not act like them want it. I hype over Benz, Bimmer and Lexus. So what y'all try tell me say, no man no want jet. You see why when time them sing man and even listen them. Listen them fewer, you no see ya picnic them. Sing to the youths them bout gun like say them got them. Beat up 2 man round them, no stop till all police shot them. I saw it mostly go, yeah, saw it mostly end. No take no talk from them youth, talk can't spend. And most of them where you see sit down itch up on the ends. Can't even touch them girlfriend leg when time she lock them. Them say me fuck up, but really dog I saw me pre. Most of them old artists yeah, them lay me. It's such a shame neither one no big like Jay-Z. Me just bust yesterday and them never dep on the level as me, dog. So one day you fa, one half to prove again. Same thing, walking at the dance with one group of men. YL, young legends, yes we is like super friend. Every day we a go make something new happen. Chiga me have another one, Chiga say yeah you again. The thing coulda never stop, work coulda never end. Money can never too much, cause money have to spend. Where you dash me dollar for, you no see your money them. Open no notice them and never put no flow to this. Some of them motherfucker yeah them no know how for this. Man like Bounty Killer me dub plate no free dog. He make selector have to run forward for this. So dash some respect which part it deserve for go. Pour some rum for the killer them with the near for you. Me I thought the one them woulda mow the fucking earth for you. Want to see you make it and I tell you deserve it too. But dog, I know every man forget a big up. Load the pass it a history we tumble down when time it dig up. So on the draft board, me I go be the bishop. Them not help nobody, but them want things to live up. So what y'all try say politician ban artist forget a hype. Like when you no ban in Jamaica go live a better life. It's like every fucking day man I recognize. So me and them people your dog is not alike. Politician no different from gunman. Talk truth, what different? Long tie, bow tie, dark suit. They on TV, I talk cute and talk smooth. That's when my daddy you da say press ras mute. Fans locked down with me mixtape like Stammer pass through. Some say me deal with the business just like a fast food. The juvenile them well tuned into the thing. Them a ask me how me do it. Me say it's simple dog, gas school. A full time no man stop hype over Ross shoes. I sound really dumb when I tell me on a dark shoe dedication are the key. Not IG views, intelligent are the new badness. Not these fools, we can't even explain what the fuck is queer road. But ask them about Top Shatter, ask them about Tom Cruise. Yo that swear says a TV I talk to. Nobody laugh dog, nobody laugh youth. When me just born, yeah, everything was great. Me never know about love, no, me never know about hate. Me never know you're black man and white man. Me never know the world was one big human race dog. It's like a fucking crab war. The space today, so while the top stars are war, at least act like I'm glad to get the fucking bus. Cause enough man do not found and reach that far, that. A foreign you talk about, we go foreign to you. Enough man me see fly go foreign and not even food. Oh, I must this tragedy them use to come on TV, but if them they figure talk show. Now stay far from the topic. Some man we act like bad man, me need them to stop it. Stop sing to the youth, them bound a bleach with gun. Because when night time come, on a night rise no matic. Walk one listener, how much time you no pull up this? Deep in on yourself, don't know what said it's a it's. When you no hear the storyline combined with the lyrics, on have to set to on yourself, how gauge to this? Everything put together, nothing I miss. Me I no one fi come sing about what they on my wrist. But how me gun big and gliss and full of all tips. No, listen, I the sickest mixtape this. Me no say enough of them even a go play this. Enough of the listener them a go act like them no want hear this. Them want hear down in a throat so cocky and be shit. And them and them friends sit down and talk how get creative. Couple artists burn it out but me see to the eye when naked. Them just vex because I never them did creative. It not take a NASA scientist to see this. Them mad dirty you fucking even if you educated that. Me see through them like say them never did it. Speedy Gonzales, the pussy them running from somewhere. Remember the girl we always say she did a go did it. Brother, where she at? Me no know when she must have gone fuck somewhere. Me not gonna act like me did perfect. Me not gonna act like me not try something and it not work yet. Me not gonna act like me name not get dragged through the dirt yet. But at least when me spit the fucking lines, you know me deserve it. Bumbuckler, you know think.